Hi, I'm Allen from MoldingCompany Machinery. This is our office. And this is our workshop. We supply wax crayon, oil pastel, molding machine, labeling machine, and cartoning machine. This is wax crayon labeling machine. And we also supply pen, ball pen, marker pen assembly machine. This is ball pen assembly machine. There are all ball pen assembly machine. And this is the wax crayon labeling machine. And this is the fully automatic wax crayon molding machine. And this is the semi-automatic wax crayon molding machine. This is the fully automatic oil pastel molding machine. Here is the overview of our workshop. We are specialized in the stationery industry. For over like 25 years,